first of all, you just have a look this image, and after that you will guess from which place this image is based on. I repeat, from which place means whether it is rural area or urban area. You will tell me after seeing this image. ठीक है? Well, you have seen this image, right? Can you guess? I'm giving you hint whether it is rural or urban area. Can you guess from which area you have seen this image, or it belongs to from which area? Can you guess it? Yes, it is. That is from rural area. It is what I have shown. I have shown here the image of a village. Clear? So you will be thinking कि मैम क्या गांव जाने वाले हैं? No, I'll not go to village. Rather, we'll be discussing about the village. Are you getting me? So today I will discuss about the first lesson of your economics, that is the story of village Palampur. You might have heard different village और different names. तुम लोग का भी अपना भी विलेज है, वहाँ पर भी कोई गए हैं, कोई नहीं गए हैं. You might be thinking आज विलेज के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं मैम? Yes, because we will discuss about the village area, and one of the village in your book which is given, that is story of village Palampur. ठीक है? So अब तुम लोग सोचोगे कि हम लोग का लाइफस्टाइल अलग है, गाँव का लाइफस्टाइल अलग है. Yes, the lifestyle of the people of rural area, particularly the village areas, those areas, the people, their lifestyle and they themselves are different from the city peoples or city dwellers. ठीक है? So here in this village particularly, no such village Palampur is there. कोई village Palampur कोई नहीं है. Just to describe some of the activities of any village, that is why this chapter has taken one of the village that is called a hypothetical village. Who exists? Hypothetical means really it doesn't exist. ठीक है? So through this village we can know the different activities of the rural people. वो लोग कैसे जीते हैं, क्या करके जीते हैं, and क्या चीज़ के लिए कैसे मनी अर्न करते हैं, and how they are saving the money. All these things we can be known through this chapter. Clear? Now first let us understand and have a look at the topics. The topics are, one is introduction, first I'll give, okay. Then second, organization of production के बारे में जानेंगे. Third one is farming in Palampur. Under farming in Palampur, land के बारे में, capital, then labor, then surplus products कहाँ वो लोग sell करते हैं, land sustain होता है कि नहीं, all about this will know in this unit. ठीक है? And I have divided this chapter unit wise into, that is 4 units. ठीक है? So here number 3 understood, and last one is, that is non-farm activities, because you know the farming is the main activities, and the last one, that is non-farm activities, will be knowing. So these are the contents or the topics, subtopics you can say, that we are going to know in this chapter. Okay, now let us understand in detail the first one, that is unit 1. Clear? Let us discuss first unit, unit 1. It says the introduction. Okay? We'll be discussing village of Palampur. Palampur village में लोग कैसे जीते हैं. Okay, that is the introduction, first unit of our chapter. Okay, Palampur is a well connected with neighboring village and towns. याद रखो, Raigaj, a big village, is 3 kilometers from Palampur. An all-weather road connects the village to Raiganj and further on to the nearest small town of Shanpur. Okay. Many kinds of transport are visible on this road, starting from bullock carts, tongas, loaded with jaggery, that is good, and other commodities, to motor vehicles like motorcycles, jeeps, tractors and trucks. So this is called the transportation facilities. These products, what they are producing, this village of Palampur, the people, they are selling this to nearby town. That is which town I told? That is what? Shanpur. Okay, Shahpur. This village has about 450 families. कितने families है? जनरली लेस होते हैं. यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 450 families belonging to several different castes, and the 80 upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. Their houses, definitely their houses are better than the other people. Those are the poor people, right? And the SCs comprise 1/3 of the population and live in one corner of the village, and in much smaller houses, some of which are of mud and straw. Most of the houses have electric connections. अच्छा connection भी है. Electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields and is used in various types of small business. Palampur has 2 primary schools and 1 high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensaries where the sick are treated. कितना primary schools है? 2 and 1 high school. ठीक है. and कितना dispensary? 1 private dispensary, उसमें सारा सब treatment होते हैं. So this story of village Palampur, it is an imaginary, that already I have told, it is an imaginary village, and will take us through the different types of production activities in the village. I have already told in the first introduction of the chapter that story of village Palampur, it is a hypothetical village, it is an imaginary village, ऐसा कुछ village नहीं है, and that through this village we can know what? We can know the activities of the different villages people. ठीक है. For example, the activities like small manufacturing, transport, shops, shopkeeping, etc. Remember, अगर village बोलेंगे, the first occupation क्या आता है mind में? Agriculture, right children? So, village of Palampur, those people also, they are engaged. The main primary occupation is called agriculture. Can you tell me under which activity it comes? The agriculture? Yes, that is primary activity. Primary, these are called the economic activities. Primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay. So here the agriculture comes under primary activities. Similarly, can you guys give me some example more? The examples are fishing, forestry, mining. These are also called the what? Primary activities. And here the main occupation of the people of village of Palampur is called, that is what? That is, yes, agriculture. Clear? In the next unit, we will be discussing the production, organization of production. Okay?